scars to fill. I got walls to build, I got rights to quell, and they're giving me hell back in Hades. Hey, little songbird, can I get your tongue? Always a pity for one so pretty and young. When poverty comes to clip your wings and knock the wind right out of your lungs.